Okay, guys, it is a beautiful Sunday. Let's check out what the market is giving to us today using this mobile setup. I believe we all know the mobile setup. Okay, if you do not know much about it, you can check my previous videos on it. I posted one about this setup yesterday, so you can check it out on the platform to see how it works. But quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay, before we do that, I welcome you all to my platform. This is QDC. Feel free to browse through the channel, learn the strategies, and of course practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so quickly, let's see how we can analyze the markets with this is boom 1000, and of course this actually got to the resistance zone around there, and if you should notice, it shows that it has overbought at this point also, so it is meant for it to sell if it does not break out above the resistance zone. And what should we do? We should wait for a our entry points. Okay, an entry point. Okay, so we got it around there, and of course it sold till it got to this support zone. Okay, you can see it right here. The same thing is applicable to here, and if you should notice, it has gotten to 30 around there, so which means it has really gone down. Okay, so it's pulled back at this point till it got to this particular region. Okay, so it gave us a downward crossing again. If it breaks the trend line here, then definitely it's going to sell more and may likely get back to this point. Okay, so we should take note of that. We might be having more of a selling point, selling opportunity if it breaks out below this trend line, but if it does not, it will go back up again and try to buy more. Okay, now let's move on to the next asset, which is going to be boom 500. Okay, this is boom 500. It started a downtrend from here, and of course gave us an entry point right from here, so it's sold till this very moment. So this has actually gone below 20, which means it has oversold already, so you should close all your trade right now. Okay, and be preparing for a change in direction of the assets, okay, of the trend. Okay, so we expect it to go back into a buy trend, that is an uptrend right from here. Okay, so this is very important. Let's move on to the next asset, which is going to be crash 1000. Okay, this is crash 1000. Crash 1000 started a downtrend from here, and of course it sold till it got to this support zone. It was unable to go beyond that, so it has started an uptrend right from there. You can see it right from here, so this is going to be buying till it gets to 70. Okay, so it's going to be more of a buying opportunity that way. Okay, let's move on to crash 500. Okay, this is crash 500. Crash 500 started an uptrend from here, and of course gave us an entry point around there, and of course it is still buying at the moment. Okay, even though it has gotten to a resistance zone and may likely go back into a downtrend because we are getting some signals from here, so this should be selling right now. Okay, now let's move on to the next asset, which is going to be boom 300. Okay, so guys, this is boom 300. Boom 300 actually been on downtrend right from here, and of course gave us an entry point around there, and it sold for a very long time. Okay, it got to this support zone, and of course was unable to break out from there, so it bought for a while, and the market is ranging around there for a while, even though we expect it to still buy more. Okay, because it has given us an entry point around here again, so this is going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Okay, now let's check out the last asset, which is going to be crash 300. This is crash 300, and this actually gave us an entry point around there, and it sold for a very long time. Okay, it has gotten below 20. It means that this downtrend might be coming to an end any moment from now, except if it breaks out below this support zone, and of course if it breaks out below it, it will sell more. If it does not, it will go back on a buy trend. Okay, so these are the analysis for today. I want you to take note of them, and of course follow the instructions so that you can milk the market successfully today. I will be stopping right here. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.